Sparks fly and heavy metal moves. The dream takes shape in a world of pure light. From the texture of paper to the precision of pixels, the vessel begins to breathe in the digital realm. In the boardroom, billions are at stake. A signature is signed, and the impossible becomes a contractual obligation. The dream descends into the dirt. Here in the yard, raw power hangs heavy in the sunlit air. 20 tons of steel defy gravity, blotting out the sun as they begin their transformation into a hull. Impurities are stripped away in a violent storm of steel rain. Only perfection remains for the build. A blinding arc of blue fire strikes the steel. Precision meets power in a spray of molten orange. The floor comes alive. Massive plates are dissected into thousands of puzzle pieces, ready for the assembly. Human hands take over where machines finish. Every edge is sharp, every piece critical to the structure. Under immense pressure, the flat steel surrenders. It groans and bends, taking the shape of the hull. Lasers verify the curve. A fraction of a millimeter is the difference between success and the scrap heap. Lighter than steel, aluminum arrives for the high decks. Speed requires lightness, and this is the answer. A coin for luck, sealed in steel forever. The keel is laid, and the ship's soul is born.
Robots work the long seams with inhuman precision. They never tire, never blink, and never make a mistake.
Okay, bring it down slow. Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
Copy that. Descending slowly.
The sky goes dark as the massive block descends, aligning perfectly with the keel below.
Lasers measure the gap. A digital zero confirms the perfect fit, releasing the tension.
The heart of the beast arrives. Silent electric motors, wrapped in white, promise zero emissions. Rows of black monoliths store the power. Silent energy waits within these banks for the command. Steel slides on grease in a perfect fit. The propeller shaft connects the engine to the ocean.
To turn a giant on a dime requires force. Thruster tunnels are welded into the bow.
Days turn to nights in a blink. The steel skeleton gains skin, rising from the dock floor. The atmosphere changes. Aluminum welding is a cleaner, quieter art. White light replaces the orange fire. Wind is the unseen enemy. In the tunnel, smoke reveals the path of the air around the mast. The wedding day. A mega crane lifts the silver crown to place it upon the steel king.
Steel and aluminum are enemies by nature. A special strip keeps them apart, welded with extreme care.
A ghost ship of raw metal stands tall. Now, the army of workers swarms to dress her.
Inside the belly, a nervous system is born. Miles of cable are dragged by hand through the steel darkness.
Complexity weaves through the ceiling. Water, waste, and air fight for space in a geometric dance.
Silence is sprayed on. The steel disappears behind a blanket of white, sealing the noise away. A massive eye of glass is lifted. Tinted, curved, and bulletproof, it offers a view with protection.
The skeleton of luxury appears.
Metal studs rise from the floor, defining the ghost of a suite.
Perfection is the only standard. A foreman checks the curve, marking a high spot with a simple chalk cross. From the forest to the sea, rare Burmese teak is selected for its golden grain and durability.
Precision saws mill the timber into uniform strips. Golden sawdust fills the air with the scent of luxury.
Laying the deck is a giant puzzle. Planks are bent to follow the ship's curves, glued with black adhesive.
Sanding reveals the final beauty. The black lines become flush with the wood, creating a seamless, golden surface.
Light reveals the truth. A reflection check ensures the surface is flawless, free of any ripple. The veil is lifted. The massive blue hull gleams under the night lights, a jewel in the industrial rough.
The transformation begins. Carrara marble arrives from Italy, handled with the reverence of fine art. Water becomes a blade. High-pressure jets slice through stone, creating intricate patterns for the foyer floor.
Miles away, craftsmen veneer curved panels with rare ebony. It is old-world skill for a modern palace.
15 coats of varnish, sanded between each one. The wood transforms into liquid glass.
Hundreds of crystals catch the light. Handled with white gloves, they form a cascading river of glass.
Every stitch tells a story. The finest leather is tailored for the captain's chair, commanding respect. A sanctuary of sound and vision. The cinema room takes shape, designed for total immersion. Culinary excellence requires a stage. The galley rivals the finest restaurants on land.
Command Central comes online. Touchscreens glow, ready to guide the vessel through any storm.
All right, bring it down 50 centimeters. Watch the alignment on the starboard side. Looks clear, keep coming down.
A window to the depths. The glass bottom pool creates a ceiling of water for the club below.
A hidden city lies within. Compact, efficient quarters for the 50 souls who keep the ship alive. Heart shines bright. The engine room is polished to a laboratory standard, pristine and powerful.
Perfection is mandatory. The white glove test searches for the smallest flaw. Dust is the enemy.
Freedom calls! Tugs guide the giant into the harbor. Horns blare in celebration of the birth.
Tugs 1 and 2, maintain course and reduce speed by half a knot. We are proceeding on schedule.
Open water is the true test. The bow slices the waves, throwing white foam aside with ease. Precision from the sky. A helicopter descends to the teak deck, matching the ship's speed perfectly.
wings beneath the water. Stabilizers extend to fight the roll, turning rough seas into a smooth glide.
Night falls, and the sea glows. Underwater lights turn the ocean into a private turquoise lagoon.
The journey ends with a beginning. The owner arrives, greeted by the crew in pristine white.
A world within a world. Silence reigns in the Grand Salon, where art and engineering coexist.
Where the ship meets the sea. The beach club opens, blurring the line between deck and ocean.